Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you the SmartWing Motorized Roller Shades. So let's explore their specifications and features. So let's talk about the design and specifications. SmartWing Motorized Roller Shades have sleek and modern design with clean lines and come in various fabrics and colors to suit any decor. Now its control options. These shades offer versatile control options. You can operate them smoothly using a remote control, providing convenience and ease of use throughout your day. Now, the smartphone app integration. Enhancing their functionality, the shades can be seamlessly controlled through dedicated smartphone app. Whether you are at home or away, manage your shades remotely with precision, ensuring optimal lights and privacy settings. Now the highlighted features. The SmartWing motorized roller shades boost advanced features such as automatic scheduling. Set your preferred times for the shades to open and close automatically, optimizing energy efficiency and maintaining comfort. Now it's noise reduction and durability. Experience quiet operation with these shades designed for minimal disruption in noise sensitive environments such as bedrooms or offices. They are built to last, offering durability and reliability in various environmental conditions. Now, the smart home integration. For those embracing smart home technology, the shades integrate seamlessly with popular systems like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Enjoy effortless control through voice commands or integrate them into your existing smart home routines. Now, the installation and setup. Installing the SmartWing motorized roller shades is straightforward with included hardware and user friendly instruction. They are designed for easy setup and operations, ensuring a hassle free experience. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you next time.